We're at Hollywood Studios. I asked Mike where he wanted to go, and this is where he wanted to come. This is my favorite park, and I think Mike's favorite park changes day to day. We're excited to be back at Disney maskless for the first time for us in a really, really long time. I am anxious to get a walking beer and just kind of enjoy the Hollywood Studios of old. Hey! I can't see anything. I'm assuming I'm on the screen and I'm looking at the lens, but it's just black. This is gonna be a struggle.
I'm so glad to be here without anything covering my face. It's just like the old days.
I'm glad I'm wearing a moisture wicking dress today because it's hot. It's 90 and humid. It's Florida in June. But the masks, you can see everybody's face, you can see everybody's smiles. This is my favorite ride in any of the parks.
To discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror. Just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone. 2, 3, scream!
Reflection of Evil? Sounds like the greatest collection ever. Tell me more about this Reflection of Evil.
Imagine you see it in the mirror every morning.
That was great. They loaded the whole ride vehicle. You can see our pictures, our faces in the pictures. This is amazing. First ride down. Next up, first bevy. Still starting with a chauffeur hopper. How does it feel, Mike?
Gosh. I never think I would miss something just carrying a beer walking around, but you know, before we'd grab our chauffeur hoppers, we'd head over behind Anaheim Produce, and you would just sit for an hour, or well, probably not an hour, but how long it took to drink your drink. And that just kind of put a damper on the day, because you had a little excitement getting in the park, and now you can just grab your chauffeur hopper, taste the vacation, go wherever you want. Wonderful.
Thank you, my fine sir. It does feel good. Have beer, we'll travel. Mike's looking for his favorite Disney character.
Favorite Disney Junior character, okay? She's just pretentious enough.
There she is. Mike's girl, Fancy Nancy.
Chauffeur hopper. It's fancy for vacation. I remember seeing it, but I don't think it's because it's so crowded.
We're gonna hop on Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. I hear the Plexiglass is gone. I also hear the pre-show is back. I've never seen it.
Hi, Goofy! Hey, Ellie! Beautiful day for a picnic! Yep, we're off to the park! See you all later! Nothing can stop us now! I don't know how, but any trouble! Oh, hiya, folks! Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there?
Who, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Well, Goofy, that's going to be a lot of paperwork, but I guess I can do that.
Thanks! Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up! Welcome on, folks! We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hiya, folks! Hello there! How you doing? Hey, Mick and Minnie! Sure to take good care of our friends! Gosh, bear with me! What could possibly go wrong? Oh no! What must have been that track switch? Let's get back to the winning train!
Is a must-do in my opinion. It is beyond cute. It is fun for the whole family. And the pre-show, hello, I feel like I've been missing out for the last year and some change. It's so cute. It sets up the story perfectly.
Makes a lot more sense now.
Yeah. Also, put Goofy in charge. Like, who thought that was a good idea? Now we're headed over to Toy Story Land because we're going to ride on Midway Mania. See if I can beat Mike. Which is probably unlikely because he cheats. He cheats so badly. That is the face of a cheater.
How do I cheat? At what point do I cheat?
Cheat. You're shooting my things, my foxes.
Just because a fox is on your side of the screen doesn't
Makes
make
them
them your
mine.
foxes. No.
Cheat. Mike will say things like, oh, get the plates as they throw them up in the air, so I'm waiting for the plates. Meanwhile, Mike's breaking all of the other plates, every single other plate, and I'm just there like, duh, what are they gonna throw them up? No longer, not listening to him anymore.
Hit the plates. Everybody wins if you hit the plates.
You hit the plates. You hit the plates.
Howdy, I'm Sheriff Woody. On behalf of all the toys, I'd like to give you a nice, big Andy's Backyard welcome.
Maybe not everyone.
What?
It's on now. Lost my watch. It's cheating already. Not good. Cheater.
That's so cheating.
Cheater. You guys know the rules. Cheater has to buy his wife a drink.
I feel like even when I lose, I have to buy my wife a drink.
It's in everyone's best interest.
The game's rigged.
But first, Slinky Dog Dash. Hang on. Mike's a fan of Mr. Prickle Pants.
Like his style.
Baseline Tap House, but I wanted to walk through Galaxy's Edge because it's just so amazing. It also feels hotter on Batu.
Let's feel a couple degrees warmer here.
You can actually shop in the marketplace now, again, without having to wait in line to get into the marketplace, which is nice because I never felt like waiting in one of those kind of longish lines just to get into the creature stall so I could like oogle the animals.
Couldn't be oogling anyway.
That's what I was doing.
Disney's an oogle free zone.
They're so cute. Just like that, leaving Batu. Just traveling through today, folks. Just traveling through. It's still crazy busy, but at least you can leave and walk around with your beer now. No flights today. Aside from all of the awesome West Coast craft beers, Baseline Tap House also has one of Disney's best pretzels and one of Disney's best charcuterie boards, but it's like $95 and didn't want a pretzel. And I was afraid the cheese would melt. Is that a thing when you guys get charcuterie boards? Does the cheese melt? They also have something that looked new to me, the Baseline Bundle, where you can get a craft beer in a plastic souvenir cup with a pretzel for $20. So on days that aren't so swamp-like, I'd probably be down for that.
I could be talked into pretzel for, say, a Virginia fall or a Florida December.
Yeah. What'd you get for a beer there, Mike?
I did the Scrimshaw Pilsner. I don't usually get Pilsners, but this was a little lighter. I know you go for the IPAs all the time, but, you know.
I like what I like. I got a Sierra Nevada Hazy Little Thing IPA.
Easy one?
Hazy.
Oh.
Hazy. It's been my go-to. I don't know what I'll do if they change it out for something else, but it's my go-to at Baseline right now. They play like coffee house versions of rock songs, and now they are playing Oh Darlin', which is one of my absolute favorite Beatles songs. I'm obsessed with the Beatles. It took me a minute to figure out what it was, but now I'm like I'm into it. She's no Paul McCartney, but I'm still into it.
Well, you know, I nearly broke down and cried.
So we are headed out. We had a great afternoon. We rode some of our favorite rides and got a couple of beers. And I have to say, it's amazing to not wear a mask, but it freaked me out a couple of times. I would go to like the bathroom or go get a napkin or something. Bye, have a good night.
Take care.
And I'd be like walking back to my seat and I would freak out because like, oh my God, I'm not wearing my mask. It's okay. You don't need a mask. You need to get over that because the masks are gone. Masks are gone. Thank you guys for joining us. We hope you had a good time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, it has been a most gratifying day.